Welcome back, guys. I'm Seray, and this is my teacher, Gaye.
Hi, welcome. So I'm feeling so good today because this is one of my favorite topics to talk about.
Her gün bunu söylüyor.
For you, I said too many,
Aynen.
So, you can see that I'm in love with English. Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, I really love this language structure, the words, the vocabulary. I love searching about these. Yeah.
I'm wondering
You're wondering what?
this topic.
Okay. So, Seray, for example, if we are about to talk about unreal, imaginary things, for example, how can you say, yani 1 milyonum olsaydı şunları yapardım in English? How can you say this?
If I had a 1 billion,
Million.
1 billion, trilyon mu oluyordu? Milyar.
Yeah, exactly. Let's say million.
Okay. If I had 1 million
1 million.
dollar olsun. If I had $1 million, dollar is important. I was living in a villa.
Live in a villa.
I live in a villa.
Okay. So the first sentence was perfect. So if I had,
Yes.
if I won, if I went, you have to use the past simple, but for the other one, we have to use would.
Okay, yapardım çünkü. Tabii ya, okay. If I had $1 million, I would live in a villa. And a villa.
Okay, so you will live in a villa.
Yes. Doesn't matter where... No, it's important ya. Fark eder. It does matter. Nerede olduğu önemli değil diyecektim de does matter. It does matter.
But I don't think that you can put a villa to anywhere. It should be a big area also.
Yeah. But anywhere'den kastım şehir falandı. If you had $1 million, what would you do?
Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. Yes, that's it.
Gözleri yaşardı.
Imaginary, unreal things. If you had this, what would you do? So the question is for me, yeah? Because I'm not used to getting questions most of the time. I ask questions. So if I had $1 million, I would probably... I don't know what will I do because I have never thought about this.
Neden? Why? Why didn't you think?
Actually, I would probably invest that money, and maybe after a year, I would travel around the world. Maybe
Makes
might
sense.
be. So I would live. I would invest. That's it. Sure. So this is it. So Seray, I'm gonna ask you one more question.
Okay.
So if today was your last day, what would you do?
It's a big question.
For example, I will probably call my parents because I'm a very emotional person.
No.
So yeah, probably I will call my loved ones. Oh my God, no, don't make that face. Yeah, what would you do, Seray?
Okay, what I will do?
What will I do?
What will I do? Ne yapardım bilmem, seni bir gün görmesem. Yeah, actually, I would meet my loved ones and do what I want in the whole life with my loved ones. But I don't know what's the thing I want to do. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you can think about it because I think this is a great question. Because this is how you're gonna actually spend your time. Because if today was my last day, how will I spend it? Because most of the time we don't care about the day.
Yeah.
So yeah. So care about the day. Live in the present.
Oldu bir an çok derin.
Deep
was
questions
deep, yeah.
with Gaye teacher. Yes. Okay, so I think this is all about, unreal, imaginary situations. So, Seray, do you have any questions with this?
No, I think it's okay.
Yeah, this is all. I think this is very easy peasy topic.
Yeah, okay, I understand if I had or if I was is okay.
If I were.
If I were, okay.
But you can also use if I was. It's also okay.
If I were, and then like the ing, not ing coming, the would is coming after that. It was like that, all of that.
Actually, if you haven't watched, I mean, watch our previous lesson because we also discuss about if I were you.
Oh, okay.
So this is also unreal, imaginary thing. If I were
Doğru.
you, I would
Bir
call.
önceki videoyu da izleyin. The previous video we talked about that.
Exactly. Okay. So, Sarah, I think this is all.
These were the unreal and imaginary situations.
So, I mean, second conditionals.
Second conditionals ne?
Second, this is the name of the grammar. But we're not talking about grammar. Watch our grammar lessons.
Oh, okay. I wasn't there.
So, Saray, I think this is all. Easy
Yep.
peasy thing.
Okay, then we are reading your comments, so...
Comment in the comment section.
Okay. Bye.
See you. Bye-bye.